Hello and welcome to today's episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today we got another good one for you. Uriah Israel will be sharing some valuable insights on harvesting peppers. So please stay tuned.
Okay, I talked about tomatoes and ripening tomatoes before they are red off the vine or off the plant. So today, I also want to talk about harvesting peppers before they are red from the vine. And you can see I have several cayenne peppers here, very big, very mature, and they are starting to turn red. Even this one right here, this one is turning red, and this one right here is completely red. This is a fully ripened, and I also have some habaneros right here, and I think a couple of these are actually ghost peppers, which is really hot. And you can see them changing, because what I'm doing right now, I'm actually keeping them in the sunlight. And so once again, just like tomatoes, if they place in a warm place in the sunlight will trigger the ripening phase for the peppers. And so you want to do the same thing with your peppers. Another method, once again, is to use, I mentioned a paper bag, and this is another tried and true method that you can use. You can put the peppers in here, and then you also take a banana, or a ripening banana, or you take a apple, and you put it inside the bag along with the peppers. And of course, the apple will release something called ethylene, which triggers the ripening hormone in the pepper, and therefore, whatever peppers you use, and it will cause them to ripen. I have never used this with bell peppers, so I'm not sure about that, but just the hot peppers that I have here. And one other last thing is, keep your peppers away from the refrigerator. Refrigeration will stop all ripening, just kill it. And so it'll kill the ripening phase of the pepper. So you just want to use warmth, the brown paper bag, maybe an apple or banana inside the bag, and this will release that chemical, which will cause the peppers to mature. And so that's just a cool little technique to do if you have to harvest a bunch. I have a bunch of peppers here. I had to take off the plant. They were just like going nuts. And I said, like, you know something? Let me go ahead and just harvest these guys. There was so many on there. And now it's just almost replenished and it's still growing. It's funny that they still grow even in the hotness of the summer. Okay, thank you guys.